you know what today is? Do you know your name?
Ah, the name. My name. No.
You're in the hospital. Doctor needs to take some tests. And I'm just gonna give you a little something to help you relax.
It's kind of hard for me to relax. You come to me with that pointy needle looking thing.